Hi everyone, welcome back to 5 plus 1 Mosquitoes. Today we will be continuing our topic electricity. But in this content, this is our last topic, insulators. Insulators are the materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them. So let's see the examples. So examples are the things except for the conductors like metals. So let's see. Now we have seen these examples. Do you know that pure water is an insulator? It's not the tap water containing some impurities. Pure water is the water which do not have any impurity. Now we will check all these things that we have collected in the tester. Do you know why electricians wear rubber gloves while they are repairing appliances which are used for electricity? Do you know why? Yep. Because rubber is an insulator and we are conductors. If we wear insulators, we can't get any current shock. That is why the electricians use rubber gloves. Now, screwdriver. The part where we hold the screwdriver is made of rubber or plastic. Do you know why? Yep, this is the same reason that I gave for the electrician. Rubber and plastics are insulators. They do not allow electricity to pass through them. So we also don't get shock while holding a screwdriver. But the inside of screwdriver is made of iron and iron is a metal. So whenever you are going to test on the conductor and insulator tester, just do not touch the iron part while you are testing it. And I'll draw you. So here I will draw a screwdriver. You have to think that this is a screwdriver with the holding part of screwdriver. Now, if we attach the two wires to the iron part of the screwdriver, do you think that the bulb will glow? Of course, yes. Because this iron part is a metal. So, metal is a conductor. It will make the bulb glow. Attach these two wires to the holding part. Will they glow? Of course not. Because rubber and plastics are insulators and they will not allow electricity to pass through them. That is why the bulb won't glow. What if we attach it like this? Again it won't glow because even though this iron part conducts, this will not conduct because it's made up of rubber and plastic. So this is positive and this is negative. The electricity will flow like this. Like this. And after going here, does not get passed because this is an insulator and the electricity will not go anywhere from here. That is why the bulb won't glow. For bulb glowing, we need the part to go like this. The electricity must go throughout the circuit. That is when the bulb will glow.